Did we all get to see the experiment with the hot metal? You know what this is?
Yeah. It's like a file.
Am I talking to you or her?
It's huge.
Thank you. So this is called a file. You can follow your nails. You want to try? No? Okay. See, it doesn't hurt. Have you ever seen a file? You can touch it at least. What do you think?
Ow.
Ow? Okay. What's your name?
He's my brother.
No, I said, what's your name?
Marjorie.
Marjorie? That's a nice name. How old are you?
7.
7. So are you in 2nd grade?
No, I'm going into 2nd grade.
You going to 2nd? So they let you pass first?
Yeah.
Yeah? You pretty smart? Yeah? Good for you. What do you do on your homestead? How big is your homestead?
1 page a day.
1 page a day? Okay. Did you come here on a wagon?
No.
No? How'd you get here? You just walk?
A car.
Car? What's a car? You don't know what a car is? I don't either. Do you guys like each other?
Yes.
You do? No fighting?
Sometimes.
Just a little bit though?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
What finger are you gonna wear this on? You're gonna have to decide soon.
This one.
Okay. Okay, let's see if this is too big. I bet it's too big for right now. But we'll make it smaller, okay? Too big?
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Those shoes are shoes. Together. How did you get there? Those shoes. I didn't know they had shoes.
The fire's about to go out.
What are we gonna do?
Make it bigger.
Make it bigger? Okay. How's that? Still too big?
Make it close up.
Make it